I want to know, Jeunesse family, you guys ready to run with me? Are you ready to run hard? Are you ready to run fast?
Thanks for tuning in and welcome to this video. I'm pretty sure somebody sent that video to you to inform you about the Founders Pool. My name is Fabian Fitzner. I'm a Diamond Director in Jeunesse and I am a founder since my first day in the company. Because back in the days there was a special program and that is the reason why we have the Founders Pool. Originally, always when the company opened a new country, you had the possibility to become a founder, which doesn't mean anything else than being a pioneer because you are the first person in your country, or one of the first, who starts the business. Obviously, it's a little bit harder, right? Because there's no infrastructure yet, you don't know if delivery works out, and there are many, many other issues to solve. That's why the company created the Founder Pool in the first place. We have 6 ways of income for everyone. The Founders Pool is a 7th way of income. The company literally lets you take part of the company's growth. They take 2% of the worldwide revenue, they put them in a pool and share that pool between all the people who are the pioneers, who are the founders. Usually there's no way of becoming a founder, as that was a very special program. Nowadays, we are in more than 150 countries. There are not so many countries left we could open, right? This specific month, Jeunesse decided to open the Founder Pool once again, but this time not only limited to those people who are in a new country, but for everybody. That means you and me and everybody else who is already in the business or who is thinking of starting the business has the opportunity to become a founder and take part of that amazing Founder Pool. Here's what you need to do. Number 1, you need to become a founder. How do you do that? You log into your back office. If you're brand new, you will start with the founder package. If you are already a distributor, you're already in the business, you're registered, also go into your back office and look for an upgrade to founder package, or just talk to your upline and let them explain you what you have to do exactly to be a part of the Founders Pool. Number 2, in the future, you need 5 first lines. So you need 5 people of your team, people you directly enrolled, and they have to be active as soon as you fulfilled that one. For the rest of your life, for each 1,000 points of your team, depending on your rank, you will get 1 share of the pool. And here's the last thing. Just imagine what it could mean to you for the future. Because here's what happens. Jeunesse is growing every single year. Jeunesse wants to become the #1 company worldwide in network marketing. That one is crazy enough. It's a big goal. But now imagine, you will be a part of the Founders Pool for the rest of your life. If the company is growing, your shares are growing. But the coolest thing with that one is that the Founders Pool is limited. I cannot tell you exactly how many founders there will be worldwide. That's a number only the company has, but it's limited. So if you know about that, and that Founder Pool is limited, but the company will grow constantly, each share will increase over time. So being a founder is a mid to long-term investment. And if you even go one step further, think about that now. So many people start in network marketing. So many people start in any kind of business. So many people even starting the gym every January. But if you go to the end of the year in December, only a portion of them is still working out. Same thing happens in business and in network marketing. So many people will say, hey, I want to become a founder. I take that offer, I take that opportunity. But at the end, they will even stop before they started. That means the Founder Pool over time will even shrink, but the company's volume will grow. And now think about that. That means your share will increase over time every single year, and that is a no-brainer now to become a founder. Talk to the person who sent you the video right now and ask them how to become a founder. They will explain you exactly what you have to do, and my wish for you is that you take a decision, that you take that opportunity, because this offer is limited. It is an amazing offer. I would take it anytime again, but you're only allowed to become founder one time. But I hope I see you very soon in the club of the people who are a part of the Founders Pool. See you there.